Hello, my darling Fumi Nation. How are you? How are we? My name is Fumidesaluvold. For those of you that are stopping by for the very first time, you're so welcome. So welcome indeed. And I am loving all of the feedback you guys are giving me. I feed off of you. I feed off of your energy. I try as hard as I can to respond. I lie in bed, sometimes with Adrian, and we read them together. So today's episode is actually a request from you guys. I had done a couple of reels. I'm trying to get the fashion and everything going, and I had like a beautiful tousled curly ponytail. And a lot of you said, Fumi, we love the hair, we love the side ponytail. What is that? And I thought, you know what? Oh my God, I haven't even given my fellow influencer her flowers. When I got the PR package, it's a PR package. When I got the PR package, I put it onto my Instagram stories. You guys have to follow me on Instagram. I'm there every day. Just little snippets, you know, to show you what I'm doing behind the scenes, what I'm doing in the house, what I'm doing with Adrian, with Ula, you know, so you guys follow me. But I got the PR package, and it was by ItsMyRayeRaye. You guys know her. She's so beautiful, so pretty. She's got a wonderful daughter, Zoe. And she collabed with Insert Your Name Here. So they sent me a PR package full of hair. And I was like, oh, wow. And I thought, okay, you know what? Let's play with this. So these were the strips that they sent me. And I loved this because what I like about the hair, it's super soft. The curls stay intact, but then you can just brush and blow them out. Brush and blow them out. So I've been using them, you know, to do buns, to do like a big, beautiful ponytail, you know, and they've got the wonderful clips, as you can see. And look at the wave. I like it because of the body. So I got 1, 2, 3, as you can see, 1, 2, 3, and soft, gorgeous. You can imagine at the nape of the neck like so, and I blow it out. Diana Ross, hello. Yes. So this is the hair. I got a discount code. I posted it. I posted the reel and then I tagged them, and they came back with a discount code for you guys. Yep. So Fumi15. I don't make any commission on this. Not at all. And I don't mind. I really want you guys to have it. When I believe in something, I want you guys to enjoy it too. I like this. This was a nice collab. I'm very funny about hair. I get a lot of hair wig requests. I get a lot. But when I look at it, I'm like, no, it's too brassy. It's not this, it's not that. This is fire. So that was what I got. There you go, Revive, right there. It's my Riri, her beautiful signature. And then they had the little sample piece in the corner here. 3 here. This is the 4th one because I wanted to show you how I blew it out. And this is the one. Just look at how gorgeous. Really, when I think about it, looking at it now, it is like it's my Riri's hair. It really is like her hair. And then you have the strip in the back. And then you can take this, you hook it on, and you can twist it around. So I'm going to show you how I did the side ponytail and how I just did a kind of loose braid and left it. The curls kept the braid intact, so I didn't have to tie it at the bottom. But let me show you, okay? Because I haven't done a hair thingy in a minute. So I'm going to put this here. They are always calling me, always. But it's all about you. Okay, so I'm going to take my hair out. I always have it like this. You know what it is? When I was modeling, I don't know about now, a lot of the casting directors, a lot of the magazines, a lot of fashion houses just wanted to see you with your hair. And my hair was always put in a bun like this. I cut it off a lot of the time. And I'm really thinking, am I going to cut it again? I'm not sure. And then when I was acting in California, I was doing a lot of extra work. The best way to learn about film, the best way, as well as going for classes. And there would be times when something went on with editing and we would have to reshoot. So guess what? I always had a bun. Because if I had a weave, if I had my hair colored, braided cornrows, which happened to me, I would be forced to take it out because I was in the scene. So they would want you to have the hair that you had. And when I realized that this was a kind of occurrence, I said, for me, you know what, stick with the bun. So that is why my hair has always kind of been my go-to bun thingy. I don't know if I can lower this. I should go lower, right? All right, so let me sit on this stool right here. Yes, much better. All right, so what I do is that I comb my hair kind of to the side, okay? I comb it this way. Well, I should show you, yeah, demonstrate. And move this out of the way, like so. There you go, okay? So I pull up my hair. For the side braid, your hair should be really combed up, right up in the back, like so, because it's kind of where you want to have it, because the braid will easily dangle on the side, right? So you should kind of have it at this high point. So everything goes in that direction of the high point, yeah? Okay. And you sweep it to the side, like so. My mother used to do this hairstyle. I loved it on her too. I have a side mirror here so I can see what I am doing. Let me put this there. I'll put this there, yeah. And you just sweep it to the side. A lot of you might be asking, Fumi, your hair is very hydrated, very shiny. I live for it. And I've talked about it on my Instagram as well. It is honey hydrate. Fantastic. Fantastic. I cannot live without it. Really fabulous. And it just keeps my hair hydrated, it's growing, the edges, I live for it. So that's it. I'm pulling it all the way to the side, to the high point, onto this side, like so. There you go. Okay. Now let me just make sure that you can see it all the way around. There you go. Take a rubber band. And that's it. There you go. So I have this. And you can just brush that. And do a little braid loops. There you go. And I'll put the link for you guys so that you can buy the hair, okay? And I just twist that around, okay? I just stick that in. So you have this. Perfect, okay? Do we live, do we love? Alrighty. Then with this gorgeous piece, it has a little clip. Can you see it? I just put that in. Don't make it too tight because you're gonna have it in your hair and you want to be comfortable. I'm all about comfort. And then you just turn this around, like so. They made it super simple, super, super duper simple. There you go. See? And then you can put like a little itty bitty clip right there. So I have my clip. Yes. Yeah, there you go. And then with this, very loosely, should I sit up now? I think you guys, you know, can see what I've done. Yep. Okay, let me get up. Da, 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 da. You just take it. I just grabbed it, you know, separate it a little bit, like so. Doesn't have to be neat at all. That's not the point. The beauty of it is that it's not neat. It's kind of just very tousled, you know. Just take it like so. You just swing it around. Loose, loose, loose. Bring it all the way down, right to the nape, and then take the little bits and just braid that like so. Then zoom it up a little bit, and that is it. Is that not like super cute or what? You can wear it to dinner, you can wear it to work, you can even flip it around, you know, and make it like a side bun as well. Yes, my darlings, I love it so much. I really do. And then also you can make it like this. This is also cute, you know. Wait, hold on. You can also twist it, and then you can bring it to the side like so, on this side. See, there are different ways, and it's really, really cute. It's absolutely comfortable. It's not itchy on the skin. You can wash it and use it multiple times. Thank you, It's My Ray Ray. Thank you, my darling. It's so pretty. Congratulations on your collab. Come out with more hair, because I love it. And I hope you guys enjoyed this as well. Do we love, my darlings? Do we love? I love. I live. I will see you tomorrow, my darlings. Let me know, and I will put the link down below for you. Use my discount code FUMI15 for as long as it lasts. You know, once it's sold out, I guess it's sold out. Or most probably they will have others, you know. But yes, I love it. I absolutely love it. See you soon, darlings. Mwah. Bye. Da, 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 da. It gives you that kind of young feel too. And of course you can use this as a ponytail. You know, it doesn't have to be on the side, you know. You can also use it on a ponytail too. I love it. It's really pretty. Yeah. Yes. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Ooh, you guys must be wondering. Fumi, we love the beat. We love that burnt orange. Just a little pop of color. I'm doing pops because I realize that, you know what? A lot of you guys just want to have really fun, you know, makeup that you can wear, that's actually wearable. You don't want that Instagram makeup. I don't blame you, neither do I. So what was this? What was this palette? Aha. Colored Rain. This was Colored Rain, and this is Secret Garden. And the color that I used was this fabulous burnt orange. Absolutely beautiful. I tell you, should I do a tutorial? I did a tutorial. I did a tutorial. You put it on just on the inside of the eye, blow it out, then go back with a smaller brush and put the same color right in there. And then you use like a white liner to open up your eye. Lashes, no liner, no liner. And that is it. That is it. That's your little pop of color. Don't we look cute? You can do this. Anybody can do this. It's not that challenging. I live for it. Yes. So that was that. The bronzer. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. I've talked about this before. Warms up your face. And then the lip was Dose of Colors and my little friend Solana Beauty. It's a new brand. I believe in her so much and I push her as much as I can. This nude is everything. What is it? It's called Model. And then this one is called Honey, I'm Home. Yeah, so these were the lippies. So this was the Fabulosity. And then the lash was Morphe. That's right. Lash was Morphe, and it was like, yes, queen, yes, yes. And then this dress is an oldie that I have not worn in forever, and it fit, and I thought to myself, well, why not? Why not wear it? Okay, I see the holes that the belt was supposed to go through. Can you see the belt? The belt is right here. There you go. This is the belt. See? So I just tucked it in on the side. And then the bra, my darling, is oh, and they're fantastic too. You know them too. I've talked about them. You know what? When I remember, I'll put it down below for you. I just can't remember. I can't remember. Nubian Skin, yes. All of my love, my sweets. And I will see you super what? Super soon. I'll see you super soon. Love. Bye.